We hear a lot these days about what's wrong with South Florida hospitals, but this morning I have a look at something that's really right. A growing number of children are being raised by people other than their moms and dads, their grandparents, aunts, family friends even. And this is especially true since Haiti's devastating earthquake. Well, now a Broward program is reaching out to help these non-traditional families get the care and support they so desperately need.
Okay, Mommy, so we have...
It's exam time for Zara and Lorenzo. Like so many Haitian children, they're starting at square one when it comes to health care in the U.S. Immunization records were lost during January's devastating earthquake. Fabiola Buceños brought her family to South Florida with just the clothes on their backs.
My daughter, every time she would hear a noise, she would think it's another earthquake coming. She would start crying and she wouldn't sleep.
But today, this family has a comfortable home, thanks to a program called Kinship Cares. Fabiola now heads up a non-traditional family, raising several teenage cousins. Kinship Cares connects families like hers to the community.
It's personalized. I speak to the family, I make an appointment, I go to their home, and my purpose is to try to walk them through the system.
The whole goal of this program is to get the services, especially health care, out into the community where it's needed the most. Kinship Cares right now has enrolled 136 families. That's 221 children.
With so many extended families like Fabiola's coming to South Florida, the numbers have tripled. Kinship Cares hooks families up with food banks, social services, and legal aid.
If Uncle Joe or Cousin Fred lives in the house, we'll help the entire family get medical care. It's not just the grandmother and the child. We help the entire family unit.
I don't even know how to thank them because it was amazing what Dr. Greenberg and everybody else did for us.
From turning on the water and electricity to getting donations of furniture and linens, Fabiola says she can now see the light at the end of a very long, dark tunnel.
We're trying to get back on our feet over here and to see how it goes.
And Fabiola is looking for work. Her background is in finance, and she's a really sweet lady. The Kinship Care program is a partnership, by the way, between Memorial Healthcare System and the Broward Health System, so all of Broward County is covered. Money to run the program comes from several different grants. The goal, of course, is to stabilize all these non-traditional families and keep children out of the foster care system. Lots of grandparents as well involved in this.
And when you say that and when I see what I just saw, I think Hurricane Katrina. All of those people who took in generations of people, some taking in strangers too.
Right. I mean, they have a household of 9. Yeah, it's tough. But there are programs out there. You just have to figure out how to access them. And the way they did this was some of these, the cousins are in high school, and the guidance counselors at the high schools got in touch with the hospitals. Wow. So nice to know that they're out there helping our kids.
And there are jobs out there too. You talk about programs out there. There are jobs out there. Just it's just a matter of connecting Fabiola to someone who has a job, an employer.
Yes.
Give her a call.
Give her a call.
Call Christy.